It was Flicker the Firefly's surprise birthday party, and all the garden was abuzz. But his best friend, a shy spider named Ara, was too timid to join the fun. She wanted to give him the perfect gift, a dewdrop that sparkled with the light of the morning sun. But it was high on a tall flower, in the middle of everything. But her friendship was stronger than her fear. She began to spin a single, strong line. She brought the glittering prize to the party just as Flicker arrived. Flicker shone his light through the dewdrop, and it exploded into 1,000 rainbows. A perfect gift from a friend who was braver and more wonderful than she ever knew.